Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to decorate this baby. As you can see, for me it's the same day like yesterday. For you, I'm living in your yesterday. Yeah, this is with so much about our universe and how time flies. Yes. So this is the box, and I'm going to put some gesso on it to tone down a little bit these colors and to make it look a little bit more I don't know how to say, but I will put some gesso on. Oh wait, because I'm too much in your face. Okay, and I will add this gesso like that. I don't want it to be too precise. Anyway, the paper is protected already with the glue, which is interior and exterior wood glue, water resistant, and I don't know what. So let's hope that it will resist to whatever we are going to do to it. Let's tone down a little bit these babies down, and I'm going to work on this one now, like that, and then we are going to hit it with almost everything we have: inks, acrylics, everything, and it is going to be a mess. It is going to be a beautiful mess. Let's hope. Let's hope. It will be a beautiful mess. Yes, I'm trying to see, is this dry? No, it is not dry, but we will pretend that it is dry. Yeah, I will have to buy some new gesso because this one has some goobers. Okay, that, and here, like that. We are having a have fun here that we wanted to. I wanted to keep it, but I don't think it is going to happen. And I'm going to put this baby in here like that, so that it doesn't dry. I would like to come with a little bit more gesso and just make some more, give it some more texture, like that, and something around these lines. So how are you? How was your Monday? How did your week started? Was everything okay? Are you okay? Oh guys, I wanted to tell you something. Oh my god, I forgot here in the previous video to tell you. But at the last videos, I don't know what happened. I uploaded them from my phone, and the comments got blocked. But I didn't block them. It wasn't me, to say like that. It wasn't me. It was YouTube. It was a stupid accident. I don't know what it was, but yeah, the comments were turned off, so I had to turn them on again. And yeah, I'm going to dry this, so I will pause you for a little while. Now it is a little bit dry, but it is not completely dried. And I'm going to put some water in here because I'm going to come with my ink, and I want it to flow. And I'm going to bring this box, and I'm having this Colorex. They say that it is watercolor. I thought it is ink. It doesn't matter. It is something that it is fluid, and it flows, and it flows like that, as you can see. And I like to watch it flow all around. Okay, I should have had some papers here to wait. I'll bring some papers. To paint them also, you know. Hazard, art by hazard. Okay, so I'm going to spritz it with more water and let it flow. And then I don't know if I want to stop here or I want to bring in the, wait, what happened in here? The blue ink. Let's see what kind of blue ink do I have. I'm having some blue school ink. It's ink that we buy to, you know, put in our babies, in our children's fountain pens to use at school. And I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm going to, too much. You see, a little bit goes a long way. And I'm having now here a disaster. Yeah. And I'm going to dry this. And we are going to, oh no, my ink. This is a color that I really liked, but yeah, it happens. It happens, especially when we are tired. This happens especially when we are tired. But this is going to be an interesting paper. So yeah. And in there I'm going to stick some more papers because I'm having a pool of you know, ink. Yeah, I'll pause you and I'll take care of that. Okay, and this is dry now. Let's continue our saga with I have put some more papers in here so that I can have them colored. Okay, and I will add again some blue, but first I'm going to put some water in here also. Like that. And now I'm going to put some blue, a little bit. Just a bit. Okay. And then we are going to move it all over the place. Can you see what happens? Yes, and I think I would like a little bit of black, but I don't know if I do have black. I have something that resembles black, but I think it is more like blue. Let's see, what color does it have? It is everywhere else, not on my, but not where I wanted it to be. Did you see that beauty? Flowing. Yeah, look at it, how it flows. Oh my god, I love this drama. I love it. Let me see. I would like some paper towel and tap it a little bit, because even though I like that drama, I don't like it so much. I don't want it to be so, you know, dramatic. But I think I would like a little bit of black in here also. So, wait. Black. Come back, black. Serious black. Seriously black. Let's give it a... Let's try to convince it to flow. All over the place. Okay. Let's see how we are going to paint this baby. My hands are already, yeah, painted. But if you don't like to have dirty fingers, don't start to do this creative kind of project, because as you can see, your fingers are going to get pretty dirty pretty quick. My hands are in the paint also, because I am me and I like to have my hands dirty. I think a drop of black is enough. This is the back of the box, so yeah. Okay, and now we are going to try to paint this baby also, and we'll see what happens. The black already pulls in here, makes a little pool of black, and I like to take water from here and spritz it everywhere. This one already looks interesting. Let's see. I would like some more black. I'm trying to yes, and now I'm going to take a piece of paper and stick it in here because I see that and I will let this black to flow down, down, down. And it looks like that now. And I think I would like some black on this one also. Like that. There. And in here we would need a little bit more of this sepia yellowish thing. Okay, and I will leave it like that. I will dry it, and then I will come back to put some more things on it and to finish it. Okay, but this is going to happen in the video tomorrow. This is it for today. It looks like that. It is not dry yet. Maybe we should put some more black in here so that it, you know, because this one is blackish and this one is not so black. And yeah, let's try to dirty it. Probably it will change its color until the tomorrow videos, but yeah, this is how art works. This one needs some more yellow and so on and so forth. So we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye guys.